This is not a tractor. It's moving into sustainable agriculture. This is not a scooter. It's finding progressive transportation solutions for tomorrow. This is not electricity. It's about safely powering our planet. This is not manufacturing. It's about moving modern industries into the technology of tomorrow. This is not a recharge. It's about thinking about the way you move, today and tomorrow. It's not about making food. It's about feeding families around the globe. And with Fuchs lubrication solutions, it's nothing new. It's the continuation of a relentless commitment to move your world. The world is full of things that move you. Fuchs, moving your world.